like the snow? No? You like it? Meow. Kitty, kitty. Come on, Zoo. What are you doing? Huh?
Oh, dang.
Still may need to go get my hat.
What are you gonna do?
Try to push some of that snow off of the driveway.
Why?
It may melt, but it'll help it melt.
Dad, I shoveled the stairs.
Yeah, I see that. Thank you. You used a shovel?